Welcome to this lesson on the Pauli Exclusion Principle, one of the most fundamental concepts in understanding electronic structure. This principle helps us understand how electrons are arranged in atoms and why atoms behave the way they do. Named after physicist Wolfgang Pauli, this rule governs the maximum number of electrons that can occupy a single orbital. The Pauli Exclusion Principle states a simple but powerful rule. Each orbital can hold a maximum of 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons must have opposite spins. This is not just a suggestion, but a fundamental law of quantum mechanics that applies to all atoms in the universe. No exceptions exist to this rule. Think of an orbital as a region of space around the nucleus where electrons can be found. Each orbital is like a container that has room for exactly 2 electrons. These 2 electrons must spin in opposite directions. One electron spins up, represented by an upward arrow, and the other spins down, represented by a downward arrow. Every electron has a property called spin, which can take one of 2 values. Spin up has a quantum number of positive 1/2, and spin down has a quantum number of negative 1/2. These are the only 2 possible spin states for an electron. When 2 electrons occupy the same orbital, one must be spin up and the other must be spin down. This pairing of opposite spins is mandatory. Every electron in an atom is described by 4 quantum numbers. The principal quantum number, n, tells us the energy level. The angular quantum number, L, describes the shape of the orbital. The magnetic quantum number, m subscript L, indicates the orientation of the orbital in space. Finally, the spin quantum number, m subscript S, specifies whether the electron is spin up or spin down. The Pauli Exclusion Principle states that no 2 electrons in an atom can have identical sets of all 4 quantum numbers. Let's look at a concrete example. The 2p subshell contains 3 separate orbitals. Each of these 3 orbitals can hold 2 electrons with opposite spins. So the first orbital holds 2 electrons, the second orbital holds 2 electrons, and the third orbital holds 2 electrons. 3 orbitals times 2 electrons per orbital equals 6 electrons maximum in the entire 2p subshell. You might wonder why an orbital cannot hold more than 2 electrons. The answer lies in spin. Since there are only 2 possible spin states, spin up and spin down, an orbital can only accommodate 2 electrons. If both electrons had the same spin, they would violate the Pauli Exclusion Principle because they would have identical quantum numbers. This is forbidden by the laws of quantum mechanics. Let's review the essential points. First, each orbital holds a maximum of 2 electrons. Second, these electrons must have opposite spins, one up and one down. Third, no 2 electrons in an atom can share all 4 quantum numbers. Finally, this principle is the foundation for understanding the periodic table and how elements are organized based on their electron configurations. Understanding the Pauli Exclusion Principle is crucial for mastering chemistry and atomic structure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.